In this video, we are going to make a new sign because I have changed my YouTube name from Featherston Hobbies to Featherston Hobbies and DIY. And what we're going to use is 3mm basswood, which you've seen this before, but I'm going to do a new one on the computer. We're going to design it, laser it on the gantry laser, and then eventually I'm going to be able to attach it to this grey board behind me, which needs to be fitted better because it's not fitted very well at the minute. It needs to be horizontal, so it's all grey behind. But as you can see, once the new sign's done, it might look alright in the back of there. Don't know, but let's give it a go. So if you're interested in seeing a gantry laser being used and making a new basswood sign, this could be the video for you. Right, so we are here at the Xtools creative space. So we will click on new project. Brings up big square box. My Xtools D1 Pro is already connected. So we are going to do a new sign, like I said on the introduction of Featherston Hobbies and DIY. So if we click on that, because it's text, unknown materials, we need to pick that, so it's 3mm basswood. Confirm that. So then we need to measure roughly what size I want that to be. Let's get a ruler. Basswood segments are 300mm square. So that's what I've got to play with. Do I want it that big? Probably not. So I think we'll start with clicking on that. We are going to engrave, because I want it to engrave. Then we need to pick the power. It says 80, speed 180. So if we look on this little area here, we've got speed and power. So 80, and I want it quite dark. Speed wants to be, I might go for 60, 80 power. So that counts at 180. That's not going to be very dark, is it? I don't think. No, definitely not. So I want 80 power by 120 speed. In fact, we'll go for 100. Click in there, doesn't it? Click in there, 100. Why is it not working? Maybe the number locks. Maybe the number lock was on. Let's go for 105. That'll do, won't it? So I've got my settings done. 3mm basswood, 80 power, 103 speed. That should be quite a good dark. So straight away we will type in here Featherstone. Oops, a daisy. That's just not right. Capital F-E-A-T. Oops, a daisy. Again. So Shift F-E-A-T-S-T-A. Enter that. Featherston Hobbies. Enter that. Now we'll go. Where's my little and? Found it. And a capital letters for this D-I-Y. So if we look up here, see the cursor, this is the sort of size. We've got the width, the height. So it was 300 by 300. So I can click on this on the outside edge, and then we can make this bigger. So we'll get to you know what it is. This just seems to be, there we go. Get in the center. Just easier. about the center, isn't it? If I click on that, what fonts do I want? Go for a different font. Now I do like the fonts I've been using for my coasters. Maybe it's not that one. California. Oh, that's a good one. I like that one. Botanic Bold. Yep, we'll go for that one. Right, do that. So that's pretty straightforward. Right, so we have got this designed on Xtools. We will now cut to the video of me setting up the Xtools D1 Pro, get it lined up, and then we'll quickly do some framing, and then we will send it on its way. So we will see you in the next clip. Bye for now. Right, so we're back. Got the laser lined up with the 3mm Basswood. I'd done this off camera because it was a bit of a hassle. Had to move things about a bit. We just got to line the peg up, do a couple of framing sections, which I'll show you how I do that now. And then once I'm happy with that, we will set this away. I will record this in its entirety, but I will obviously be fast forwarding it because you'll just be bored if I didn't do that. So let's go back to the computer and quickly click on framing. Click on framing. Framing complete. Press this brass button. And that's basically what the size is going to be. I could make it bigger, but it just takes a lot longer. And this is just a bit of fun for this week's video. So if we go to the computer now, framing complete, double check our settings, which is 3mm Basswood. It is on 80% power, 103 millimeters per second. Click on process. 21 minutes this is going to take, so that's a long time, but that's fine. And we will press start. And then we can now press the brass button. And there we go. So it's doing its business, and we will see you once it's finished. So we are coming to the end of this little laser project. Should be finished in about maybe a minute, something like that. Once it's finished, I will turn you around, have a little chat, show you what it's going to look like on the grey board at the back, backdrop, shall we call it. and hopefully it would look pretty cool, but we will see in a minute or two. If you are listening to this bit, please check out my Shopify account, ajcreationsuk.com, for laser engraved goods, 3D printed items, and other stuff that I'm going to dabble with on my little Shopify account. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe and smash the bell and share the video. Thank you very much. And this is about to finish any minute now. Or any second now, actually. And 3, 2, 1. There you go. Well, I'll turn the extractor fan off because that's noisy. And then let's have a little look at this on camera. If I could pick it up, that is like. Oh, look at that, man. How good is that? I'm pretty happy with that, like. Rather happy indeed. Right, so end this video and I'll see you in the next one. Give me 2 shakes of a lamb's tail. Right, follow me. So, like I said, it's going to go on to my backdrop board, which is this grey board, which I'm going to eventually have it horizontal on the backdrop, so it looks a bit more pleasing when I'm talking gibberish to you lot. So it looks nice, and then people can see me a little sign. I mean, it's not multi-award winning signage here. It's not a big neon thing, but it's just something that I've done, and I'm not bothered because I enjoy doing it. So if we turn around here and then just put it up there, pretend to put it up there, turn it around, that looks kind of good, doesn't it? Let's get a bit close up, bit angle shot. I like that. Anyway, that's it for this week's video. It's been a short one. I've rushed through it because I've been away fishing for 3 days. I was going to make a fishing video of where I've been, but I just could not be bothered. I just wanted to relax and chill and take it easy. So anyway, that is the end of this week's video. Please subscribe, share and smash the bell for notifications. Where there will be another video probably in 2 or 3 days time, when I'm going to start pushing forward the little Xtools F1 laser, which I need to start making some products for my Shopify account, which is ajcreationsuk.com on Shopify. Please take a look, and I would be much appreciated if you would and commented on anything in this video that you want me to make or have a go at, and hopefully I'll be able to tackle the project. So that's it for now. Thanks very much for watching Feathers and Hobbies and DIY, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.